today I'm going to show you how to draw a donkey. How this awesome student that I was teaching this morning, I said to him, like, what could I draw on YouTube? What's the next thing to draw? So anything you can let me know of what you want me to draw, just email me emmy-lou@art.com, or just find the link below and email me and ask me and I will draw it for you. I want to show you something that I did with him today. Oh, it's my little giraffe. So we're not drawing a giraffe. I've done a video of a giraffe, but I might do another one. I think I'll do another one. But all we're going to need is pencil, landscape paper. We're drawing a donkey, and like, subscribe and share. Let's go. Really super easy, the donkey, I think. Just going to bring up a picture of what I'm looking at. What I need you to do is figure out what you want to colour it in with. So if it's paint, if it's chalk, if it's oil pastel, maybe get those ready now. So, I mean, I've got paint, but I don't think I'm going to use paint. I might use chalk, just because chalk's a little bit easier. Like, it's just quicker for me. So, okay, think donkey. I love donkeys. I absolutely love donkeys. So, all we're going to do is do a shape that's, I would call it like an avocado. Love avocados. So it's kind of like, it takes up quite a lot of the paper, doesn't it? So we want a little bit of run there, but it's like an avocado ultimately. Now in the avocado we want to do an ear. So touch about there, just use your eyes to figure out where. So if you're not sure, maybe touch the top just there. And we're going to draw an ear. Can you see? Like a little, looks a bit like an avocado as well. And then I might make this kind of a bit 3D. Then we want to draw the ear behind the big ear. So it's just like that. It's quite a basic ear. I'm not going to draw anything too kind of big. I would probably say the ear might be higher, like I haven't got room, but the ear would probably be a lot taller perhaps. I mean, it doesn't have to be. And then what I want to do is shape the face. So my donkey is not an avocado. Just thought I'd let you know. So what we want to do is touch there, and you want to kind of like get rid of you're kind of getting rid of that line. So once you go down, it's like, it always reminds me of like you're slicing a little bit of an avocado and you're going to rub this little line out. You know, donkeys make the noise. I always hear them in a field, and they're always with horses. I don't know why, but they always look sad, don't they, donkeys? I'm sure they're not, but they just feel like they look sad. I'm gonna rub out whatever's in the ear, because the ear is just about ear. The ear is, sorry, a little joke. The ear is in the avocado. Right, let's go. Here, yeah, here we want to do, touch that bit here, and it's not square, but it has to look. Can you see that was the avocado shape? We're almost doing as though it's square almost, I suppose. And then we're going to rub out this bit. So the avocado is a guideline, and you rub out most of the avocado. It's not the avocado, but you know, it looks like an avocado, doesn't it? It's going to make me hungry now that I'm saying that. Right, touch about there, and you're going to do up. So you're chopping a bit more of the avocado. Let's chop away. Okay, now that is roughly the shape that you want for your, I nearly called it a goldfish, I don't know why. What we want to do is, you know here, rub out here. I'd probably do about there. So rub that line out, because you don't really need that line. And what you want to do is, where you had that avocado line and the ear, just do a line like that. Doesn't have to be that straight, to be honest. It's like a horse. You've got the back, and then we want to do some really cool kind of mane. So it's hair. So it's up to you. You can just do that if you like, or be a bit more creative and, you know, It might look like spikes if you're not careful. You want to make sure it kind of looks like hair. And then just about here, can you see there? If you have a look, it's going to be just like a little line, little line, little line, and then go down. So that's roughly what you're going for with the shape. If you love horses, this could also be a horse. So all we want to do, I would say, is we've got the nose. Just make sure it's dry. Let's do the eye first because it's not quite dry. I want to do a line, so touch the ear and just do a line like that. Because it's kind of got a weird kind of line going on. And a bit of a line there. Now, the eye. We're going to do a straight line. And then we're going to do this. Down. Up. So it looks a bit like that, the eye. You don't have to do that eye. If you want, you could do, like say that's the head. You could do a cartoon eye. I think that eye is nice because a donkey's eye is quite big and it's quite dark. And we're just going to do a little line there. Maybe a little line there just to show that it's lines. And then we want a mouth. Now the mouth's going to go like that. And then the nose is going to go like that. Very, very simple. But can you see that line really adds something to it, doesn't it? It really makes it look more like it's got body to it. So a donkey normally has kind of like a muzzly bit that's a different colour. I would say that's pretty much done for now. This bit I'm not going to kind of colour in or finish. It's just giving you an idea. I might actually just do up to there because we don't need to go off the page. I love to sort of draw things but not kind of finish them. I'd love to show you my hair that I'm painting at the moment. I'm tempted to go get it. If you look at my giraffe, that didn't really take me that long. I want to do a background that's similar to my giraffe. So I want to sort of do a scribbly background because it adds energy to the picture. It looks really cool. Okay, so I've got chalk pastels now. I'm just grabbing my chalk pastels. So I'm going to get tempted to do a purple donkey, and I said purple giraffe and monkey. Do you know what? I'll do a grey one because I don't want you to sort of not know the realistic colours, but you can do any colour you like. So let's have a look. We're going to do all grey. Just looking at the one I've got there. Let's do all grey. Donkeys have different colours as well, so you don't have to do a grey one. For some reason I like the idea of pink. Now I don't like finishing to the edges of the page, so I'm just going to stop there. Okay, so this is kind of called a base coat, I suppose. So a bit like if you were to do decorating on a wall. You're just putting on the first layer, then you're smudging. I'd probably smudge a bit better than that, but for now I'll smudge like that. Right, then we want to do, I mean, brown would be nice. So I'm going to get a brown, and I want to do like a bit of the ear. So if I look at it, I quite like outlining the ear. He kind of just looks sad, bless him. So a bit of brown there, a bit of brown there. I'm doing a little bit of brown there. So I'm doing it like an adult would maybe put in texture, not texture, shadow. So if this is a bit of a strange thing because it looks quite grown up, don't worry. It's quite nice to learn how to just put the shadow in, and then you can create other things that you want from that. Okay, so this is like grey, bit of brown. If you look at your own hair, you've got different colours in your hair, haven't you? It's not just one colour, so it's quite nice to put different colours on your donkey. Okay, now let's go for an awesome black. Now, this is where it looks really cool, because you're gonna put a little bit there. I'm literally outlining the pencil lines. You don't have to outline it, but I like outlining. So I'm outlining, I'm colouring in the nose. If you want that to be more white, then you could colour it grey around the edges. I'm colouring all the eye in black. You see how it looks more like, Very sad looking, doesn't it, a donkey? They're not actually sad, I don't think. I think when they look sad and they're going, oh, you can't help but think, oh no, they're so sad. Okay. I know that's very basic what I've done, but it's so effective, isn't it? One little, I say 10 minutes. 10 minutes we've done the donkey. Got one little finger. This is what makes it look quite cool. We're gonna, can you see how I'm just smudging around the white, so it's still white, but it gives that effect that it's not flat. Like we could just smudge a bit under there because it's shadow, isn't it? And then around the, got to be careful with the hair. I mean, if you want to, you could just do that for the hair if you're doing chalk. You don't have to do chalk. Some people really do not like chalk, and that's okay. I don't think I liked chalk before, but it's funny. The more you do something, the more you think, oh, I quite like it now. Okay, so that is literally my donkey. So have a go at drawing it. Just have a go. Do a pink donkey. Do a blue donkey. There was, oh, what was it? Winnie the Pooh, and there was a donkey, and I think he was purple, and he was called Eeyore. And he was lovely. So you could do a purple donkey, that would be nice. So have some fun doing that. Like, subscribe and share. Maybe just write your name at the bottom and sell it. I sell a lot of my paintings, especially animals. So you could give them away as gifts to people perhaps. But there we are. Donkey, have fun, and I will see you soon.